Hello traders, in this video I'm going to go through the account groups tab and how to create account groups, how to assign them, how to turn them on, and how to trade them. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, after we connect to all of our connections, we can see that all the accounts are inside of the unassigned accounts group, and you can see that we have the accounts group tab set up. So to start this off, we can see we've got no account groups and this list is empty on the right side. So to add an account group, all we have to do is click the plus sign, give it a name. I'm just going to say volumetric, and I'm going to select the leader account 80, for example. And I'm going to create the group. To assign groups to the leader account is fairly simple. You go on the left side where you have all your unassigned accounts. You select the accounts that you want to assign. And then once you're done selecting, you move them over to the right side. And you can see that we've got a new account group inside of the account group list. If we ever want to trade this account group, we turn this on and you can see that the copy trades button has become enabled, and then you can turn this on to start trading. If we don't have any active account groups at all, this button will be disabled because you don't actually have anything to trade at all. To edit the name of an account group, all you have to do is click the edit and say change the name and then hit the rename group. If you need to delete the group, all you have to do is hit the delete group button. It's going to ask you to confirm, and once you confirm, it's going to delete that group. So let's just create two groups. I'm just going to create one group named 1, and I'm going to attach all my fast track trading accounts into this one, and I'm going to create group number 2, which is 2. And I'm going to create this group, and I'm going to attach some of my volumetric accounts. So now when we go back to the accounts tab, you can see that we still have the unassigned accounts group, and I normally just collapse this one. Some people use filtering where they filter by the active groups, by the active accounts. And you can see that you've got your leader selected for 1 and 2, and you've got all your follower accounts here with all the details that you require for those accounts. Then we go back to account groups and we turn one on to be able to trade. Now, you can turn on simultaneously as many groups as you have purchased, and it will say inside of your shop tab already owned. I've enabled 100 for myself because this is a testing account, but most people with a new purchase will have already owned a 1 account group active at the same time and 1 connection. When you purchase extra connections, it's going to say the number of connections, simultaneous connections that you're allowed to have. So as with connections and groups, you can create as many of them as you want at once, but you can't activate more than you have purchased simultaneously. So if you only need to use 1 group, well then you can create 2 or 3, and once you're done trading that group, you turn it off, you turn the next one on, and you keep trading. We tried to make it as simple as possible to flip from one account group to another in case you're done with your trading day for, let's say, the morning period instead of the afternoon period, for example. That's pretty much it for accounts and account groups. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Bye-bye.